To our Schools Division Superintendent, Edwin Maribohok, Sir. To our EPS, Ernie Kagindangan, Sir. PSDS, Loida Intong, Ma'am. DIC PSDS Concepcion, Domingo Maulas, Sir. School Head of Concepcion National High School, Jason Kiano, Sir. Municipal Mayor, Jesse Vinia, Madam. School Governing Council President, Charito Lumbay, Ka. To our teachers, parents, classmates, schoolmates, friends, good day. It is my honor to welcome you all to our Moving Up ceremony. Education is baffling and difficult to accomplish. We face this new normal way of learning because of this pandemic we are all fighting and experiencing. But this pandemic did not hinder us to attain our goals, which is to move up into the next level, the senior high school. Yes, it was a stressful and difficult year for us due to COVID-19 pandemic. But here we are. We survived. We will move on. This moving up ceremony is our way of saying thank you to all of you who supported and believed for us from the very beginning. Thank you very much and welcome to our moving up ceremony.
Good day to our dear graduates, parents, guardians, stakeholders, in attendance and to the Department of Education officials and teachers. Amidst the pandemic, BSOC learners have hurdled the challenges, and now is the celebration for you are to graduate and proceed to a higher level in your education. Our graduation theme is strengthening the quality of education amid COVID-19 pandemic is something we have to think about. In reality, the pandemic has even brought us farther towards the goal of achieving quality education. But quality doesn't happen by chance. It is the product of hard work and perseverance. Thus, thank you very much to all the Department of Education officials and teachers for the great effort, especially in the production, distribution, retrieval, and checking of the modules, the RBI instruction, and in the making of video lessons. Thank you also to the parents and guardians nga dako pud og adjustments gipanghimo tungod ning atong distance learning. Daghang salamat sa atong LGU officials nga ninghatag nato og mga learning materials, resume machines, bond papers, o daghan pa. With the synergy of all stakeholders, there's limitless possibilities that we can reach quality of education that projects the factors that we Filipinos are a great nation. And you, young graduates, make up for the main ingredient towards the realization. Congratulations.
Have a nice day, parents, teachers, mga students sa ato ang Concepcion National High School, mga kabataan, atong masaksihan karon bisan sa pandemic nga atong giatubang, dili babag sa inyong pag-eskwela. Kay napadayon ang inyong klase pinaagi sa module. O tungod sa atong mga maabdikon nga high school teacher, niabot ang time sa inyong graduation. Congratulations everyone. Dili lang ang kabataan nga nag-graduate karon akong i-congratulate, pati ang mga parents kay tungod sa ilang suporta nahimo nga nakagraduate ang ilang mga anak. Akong dakong pasalamat sa atong very energetic school in charge, Sir Jason B. Quijano, uban sa iyang mga kaubang high school teacher. Once again, salamat mga sir o ma'am. Sa inyong pag-improve sa Concepcion National High School, dili lang sa school beautification, pati na ang kalidad sa edukasyon sa mga kabataan. Ako as mayor diri sa atong lungsod, bisan sa pandemya nga atong gisagubang karon, gusto ko nga ang atong kabataan mahatagan og quality education. Pinaagi sa atong suporta sa LGU, sa provincial government, ang paghatag og scholarship sa mag-graduate sa high school. O ako nagahangyo sa mga parents sa inyong suporta para pag-guide sa inyong mga anak sa ilang mga module sa inyong tagsa-tagsa kapanimalay. Kung dili buot pasabot nga kamo ang mag-answer sa ilang mga modules, kundi mag-guide lang sila o mapalo up. Ang saktong guidance sa atong mga anak mao'y dalan sa ilang kalampusan. Mga ginikanan sa kanunay atong ibutang sa atong hunahuna nga ang atong kapobrehon ug ang COVID-19 pandemya dili kini mao'y babag sa kalampusan pag-eskwela sa atong mga kabataan. Again, congratulations, graduate students, parents, and teachers. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Isang maalab at matagumpay na araw po sa ating lahat. Mula dito sa amin sa Kagawaran ng Edukasyon, attests that DepEd indeed is on track. But just like what is said in our theme for this year's end of school year rights, strengthening quality education amid COVID-19 pandemic, we need to be on our toes. The COVID-19 pandemic is real, and so are other education emergencies. All together, let us rise from this pandemic, recalibrate our learning continuity plans, and continue to deliver quality education for our learners, the heart of DepEd 10. Muli, binabati ko ang lahat ng nagtapos sa taong ito. Hangad namin ang inyong patuloy na tagumpay, anumang landas ang inyong tatahakin. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng poong may kapal. Marami pong salamat.
To our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Edwin R. Maribuhok, CESO 6, I have the honor to present to you, sir, the 58 completers of Concepcion National High School, of which 30 male and 28 female. I am happy to cascade that there are 1 with high honor and 11 with honors. I certify with truthfulness that they have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements set of the Department of Education, and they are ready for your confirmation.
by virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Secretary of Education, the Honorable Leonor Magtolis Briones, through the school's Division Superintendent, Edwin R. Maribuhok, Doctor of Education, CESO 6, and upon presentation by your school head that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum for Junior High School, I hereby confirm you completers of this school year 2020-2021, and as such, you are entitled to all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations!
Abaa John Lester C. Anthony Raymark M. Bungkaw Dongelo G. Budlong Giancarlo G. with high honor. Kabasag RG A. Kalipusan Jesam A. Dapat Junrix H. Dukay Jaser Anthony B. Dumanhog Peter R. Ilupre GR M. Estrella Kent Jasper A. Jimeno Johnny P. Juancho Jason B. Juancho Jasper. Juancho Renante F. Juancho Verhil P. Lumbay Jordan B. Lumbay Noel A. Lumbay Wilmar E. Muntipon Nicole D. Muntipon Rex B. Padilla Benjamin Jr. C. Puyod Rolly Jr. L. Salazar Darrell P. Sumala Merville P. Sumala Adrian S. Sumala Revelo Jr. P. Tormes John Michael P. with honor. Tumagna J. Mark C. Tumanong Rosito C. Ambuang J.An. M. with honors. Burungan Jean S. with honor. Bolo Kisha A. with honor. Kabasag Sweet Royalin P. Carrion Marinel G. Incabo Algin E. with honor. Itol Juliet A. Itol Maricar C. Hinutan Leia May B. with honor. Juancho Geraldine T. Lumayog Baby Jane S. with honor. Lumayog Rachel D. with honor. Lumayog Rachel M. Lumbay Jonilea T. with honor. Maglangit Lovely Jean A. Maglinti Charmy M. Manday CJ G. Manday Mayet M. Maya Karenjoy J. with honor. Muntipon Janice M. Salazar Angelo M. Salazar Irma G. Sarial Jeremy D. Testa May S. Tormis Sheila May P. Tumagna Alfie D. with honor. Tumagna Marlene D. Valeros Irame Grace J.
My respect to our school's division superintendent, Sir Edwin R. Maribuhok, to our most hardworking district in charge, Sir Domingo R. Maulas, our very active school head, Sir Jason Quijano, to our ever unrelenting teachers of Concepcion National High School, So with the completers, proud parents, good day. I am very honored to join you in celebrating this wonderful occasion. First of all, I would like to send my warmest congratulations to all of you. Despite of the pandemic that we have right now, the Department of Education, with the initiative of our school administrators and teachers, they find ways just to make this day memorable to you. You should be very, very proud of yourselves for accomplishing this chapter of your student life. To the proud parents and guardians nga naningkamot pag-ayo para lang mahatag sa ilang mga anak ang ilang mga panginahanglanon, congratulations! Saludo ko ninyong tanan. Ang kalampusan sa inyong anak karon ug sa umaabot papuhon usa ka na sa mga gasa nga ilang ikahatag diha kaninyo. And to you, my dear completers, I know that each of you faces different challenges in pursuing your education. But despite of those challenges you've encountered, you endure and chose to pursue your dreams to have a brighter future. Today marks the great victory in your life as you close this journey. But it is not yet the end. Tomorrow, you will open a new chapter in your life, and the choice is yours on which path you will undertake with. Be firm and stand still, because you are sailing on a boat surrounded by an enormous challenges that you alone paddling towards the shore of success. Once again, thank you very much and congratulations completers of Concepcion National High School.
Please stand. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the completers of Concepcion National High School, do solemnly pledge to uphold the noble tradition and ideas of our alma mater and to bring honors and glory to her name by working with utmost effort, efficiency, and integrity. Preserve the dignity and rich heritage of the land and live up to better hopes and expectation of our countrymen and divine Creator. So help us God.